Hi, thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. Click the bell to get notifications. This is one of the brushes that we picked up from the Home Depot. This little handheld one here, my husband has already started to use it. And this is the other one that we picked up. It's a two-piece. It's a brush and then we attach this pole here to it. For those of you who do watch the channel on a regular, you remember in the vlog summer video where I was searching for a brush to do these tile floors. Well, I will link that video here if you haven't seen it already. But we believe we found not the perfect tools, but some tools that will help us in getting this task done. We were hoping that it will also not cause so much strain on the knees, but hey, we don't live in a perfect world. My husband is using some baking soda and some water. Last time we used vinegar in the mix, but we didn't this time.
I don't know if he needed that much water, but
he did have a difficult time using this brush. The pole kept coming out and he had to maneuver it a certain way in order for it to work. Here you can see there is a big difference in the grout. Now they are clean. No more dirty grout. And he did end up having to pull out the little brush because he found that it was just easier than the other one that had the pole attached. So he just preferred to use the little brush and just get on his hands and knees and work it on out. And so yeah, that's what he did because, you know, he's a good man like that. So he took the steam mop and got up the rest of the baking soda residue and just kept going. And FYI, in case you're wondering why my husband has on shoes while he's doing this job, it's because he just has to have on shoes at all times. It's this thing that happened to him when he was a little boy, and ever since then he just has to have shoes on. And on top of that, he's an ex-military guy, so those shoes have to be boots. Just the other day I was looking at this video, one of the earlier videos when I started my YouTube channel, and we had just got this home built, and I noticed how bright the grout were on the tiles, and I was like, oh my goodness, like who told me, who suggested to me to get tiles? Man, it is such an upkeep. I will never, Lord say the same, get tiles again if I can help it. And there are so many different options now that you have so much to choose from. So tile will not be a first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, or eighth option. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you liked it if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Lord say the same.